I wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
I turn off my alarm.
I turn off my alarm.
I get out of bed and start my day.
I get out of bed and start my day.
I open the curtains.
I open the curtains.
I open the windows.
I open the windows.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I pack my school bag.
I pack my school bag.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a quick shower.
I take a quick shower.
I dry my hair.
I dry my hair.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I put on my school uniform.
I put on my school uniform.
I eat breakfast with my family.
I eat breakfast with my family.
I take my vitamins.
I take my vitamins.
I grab my lunchbox.
I grab my lunchbox.
I wear my shoes.
I wear my shoes.
I leave home at 7:30 a.m.
I leave home at 7:30 a.m.
I walk to the bus stop.
I walk to the bus stop.
I catch the bus to school.
I catch the bus to school.
I listen to music on my way to school.
I listen to music on my way to school.
I arrive at school at 8 a.m.
I arrive at school at 8 a.m.
I greet my friends and teachers.
I greet my friends and teachers.
I go to my classroom.
I go to my classroom.
I attend my morning classes.
I attend my morning classes.
I have a snack during the break.
I have a snack during the break.
I participate in group activities.
I participate in group activities.
I study hard in my favorite subjects.
I study hard in my favorite subjects.
I go to the library to read.
I go to the library to read.
I have lunch with my friends in the cafeteria.
I have lunch with my friends in the cafeteria.
I play sports during recess.
I play sports during recess.
I attend my afternoon classes.
I attend my afternoon classes.
I work on a school project with my classmates.
I work on a school project with my classmates.
I finish school at 3 p.m.
I finish school at 3 p.m.
I go to after-school activities.
I go to after-school activities.
I take the bus home.
I take the bus home.
I arrive home at 4 p.m.
I arrive home at 4 p.m.
I have a snack.
I have a snack.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I help with household chores.
I help with household chores.
I play with my pet.
I play with my pet.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I watch TV with my family.
I watch TV with my family.
I have dinner at 7 p.m.
I have dinner at 7 p.m.
I chat with my family about my day.
I chat with my family about my day.
I take a shower before bed.
I take a shower before bed.
I brush my teeth again.
I brush my teeth again.
I get into my pajamas.
I get into my pajamas.
I prepare my school bag for the next day.
I prepare my school bag for the next day.
I relax and unwind.
I relax and unwind.
I read a book in bed.
I read a book in bed.
I turn off the lights.
I turn off the lights.
I fall asleep at 9:30 p.m. to get enough rest.
I fall asleep at 9:30 p.m. to get enough rest.